Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Lexus RX 350. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 270 horsepower and 248 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A tan leather interior, sunroof. Come around back. We've got our RX 350 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. This one does come with a keyless entry. Wood trim, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Wood and leather steering wheel controls, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, our radio, dual climate controls, automatic transmissions, some buttons for our media display, heated and cooled seats. This RX 350 has 41,588 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this RX 350, check out feldmanimports.com.